Hey, what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, I have a beautiful 2019 F150 Platinum that we just installed the ROUSH Supercharger on. We're going to watch a dyno pull. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us. Stay up to date on cool Mustang and F150 videos. If you have Doug with me, let's go check it out. All right, it's a 4x4. It's on 93 octane. We installed the ROUSH. Doug, come down and take a look. The 2650 Supercharger. This is a killer kit. Same supercharger we use on the Mustang, but on the 19 up F150 with the sweet 10-speed automatic transmission we have here. This is going to be a killer setup going from stock to something like this because you get the instant torque right and you go wide open throttle. But we did do a couple of their mods while the truck was here. We installed front and rear 373 gears. Of course, you know, the truck's four-wheel drive. We have to do the front and rear and a rear cylinder head cooling kit. But that's it right there. It's the ROUSH. And I'll put a link in the description because you might have more questions. You can just open that up, click on it, read a lot more about it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before we look at the numbers, don't forget, what's the price to get this installed? Simply email quote@brenspeed.com, and don't forget that description. I will put links to everything we talked about, like the cylinder head cooling kit. What is it? You can read more about it, you know, as well as the supercharger, of course. DynoJet SAE 93 octane through the auto, 529 roll horsepower, peaking at 6,200 RPM, torque 476, peaking at 4,100 RPM. Love it, and like I said, torque goes up, boom, across the board. So that's the ROUSH Supercharger TVS 2650. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget, please subscribe and notify to see cool dyno videos. Thanks for watching.